In this video, I'll show you how you can upload files to GitHub. So I'll show you how you can do this on a new account if you've just created one. So what you need to do once you've created one and you're on your dashboard, you can go to new in the top left hand corner. Once you've done that, we can create a new repository. So enter in the name. I'm just going to call this test video just for the video example. You can then choose if anyone on the internet can see this, and you can choose who can commit, or you can make it private and just essentially hide it from everyone. I'm going to keep it on public, but you can choose whatever suits you. We're then going to go ahead and create the repository, and it's going to create it onto your account. Now, because it's public, everyone with this link will be able to see this. Also, if people go to your username, they will then be able to see it inside of your popular repositories. It's all going to be public, so just make sure that you are certain of if you want it to be public or private. Now what you need to do is upload the files. Now to do that, you can go ahead and use the quick setup, and you can just click uploading an existing file. Once you're in this window, you can then go ahead and upload your files. So click choose your files. It will then open up File Explorer window, or if you already have your files open in another File Explorer window, you can just simply drag them on. Now I'm going to go ahead and select the files in the to-do website folder. Now these are all the files which are necessary for my website and my project. I wouldn't drag on the actual folder. You want to click into the folder and drag on the necessary files. Then once you click open, it's then going to upload them, and this will take longer depending on how big your files are. But once they're uploaded, you can go ahead and click commit changes, and it's then going to process your files. Now once you've done that, you'll then be able to see all of your files here. You'll be able to click onto them, interact with them, and so on. Now, if you want to make your website public or your project public, and then click on the video on screen now or the link in the description, I'll show you how to do that.